Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to make a thick, rich shaving lather. First of all, you're gonna need a safety razor, a Parker shaving brush, a lather and wood shaving soap, a stainless steel shaving soap bowl, a big mixing bowl, an Astra double edge blade, lather and wood aftershave balm. I start by putting the brush into hot water. We let it sit a little bit here. Then I grab my lather and wood shaving soap. And then I start by loading up my brush with good quality soap, just like that. The good thing about this Parker brush that it covers the whole top of the shaving soap. So now my shaving brush is loaded. And then you start rubbing clockwise the bottom of the bowl like this. Okay. You just add a little bit of water, like a drop or two. You mix it well for a minute and a half. You'll notice the bubbles start off pretty big. I'm gonna fast forward now. Sometimes it gets too thick, then you have to add a little bit of water. If you have large bubbles, you have too much water. As the lather starts building, I start pushing the brush down just a bit. Okay, so this consistency looks great now. And now you're ready to start shaving. Just to add a little bit of aftershave at the end. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Please subscribe and check the links down below for my products here.